Join me as I dive into the world of breastfeeding and see if I can figure out what every new mom really needs to know. Breastfeeding is a journey that many new moms embark on, and it's an important one. As a new mom, you're about to start a beautiful journey with your little one, and breastfeeding is a crucial part of that journey. When it comes to breastfeeding, many new mothers face a multitude of challenges that can make them question their decision to nurse. Physically, breastfeeding can be painful, especially in the early days. Your nipples may be sore, your breasts may be engorged, and you may struggle to get your baby to latch on properly. Emotionally, the pressure to breastfeed can be overwhelming, and the fear of not being able to do it can be daunting. In addition to the physical pain, there's also the emotional hurdle of feeling like you're not doing it right. You may worry that you're not producing enough milk, or that your baby is not getting enough to eat. You may feel like you're failing as a mother if you're not able to breastfeed successfully. And on top of all that, there's the added pressure from society to breastfeed, which can make new mothers feel like they're not doing what's best for their baby. Another challenge that many new mothers face is the lack of support. You may not have a support system in place, or you may not know where to turn for help. You may feel like you're alone in your struggles, and that can be a very isolating feeling. And let's not forget about the judgment from others. You may get comments from family and friends about how you're choosing to feed your baby, and that can be really tough to deal with. Breastfeeding is a skill that takes time and practice to master. It's not something that comes naturally to everyone, and it's okay to need help and guidance along the way. One of the most important things to remember is that you're not alone. There are resources available to help you, and there are other mothers who have been in your shoes. When it comes to breastfeeding, one of the most important things to remember is that it's not just about feeding your baby. It's about bonding with your child and creating a sense of closeness and intimacy. It's about providing your baby with nutrients and antibodies that will help them grow and thrive. And it's about giving yourself a sense of confidence and empowerment as a new mother. One of the biggest myths about breastfeeding is that it's only good for the baby. But the truth is, breastfeeding has benefits for mothers too. It can help you recover from childbirth faster, reduce the risk of breast and ovarian cancer, and even help you lose weight. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. Breastfeeding is always available, and it's free. Here's a key insight that can change your perspective on breastfeeding. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present. It's about being present in the moment with your baby and enjoying the journey, even when it's hard. It's about not being too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned, and being willing to ask for help when you need it. And it's about trusting your body and your baby, and knowing that they are capable of figuring it out together. One of the most powerful things about breastfeeding is the sense of community it can create. When you're part of a breastfeeding support group, or even just surrounded by other breastfeeding mothers, you realize that you're not alone. You realize that we're all in this together, and that we're all doing the best we can. And that's a really powerful thing. In conclusion, breastfeeding is a journey that's worth taking. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. By being informed, staying positive, and seeking out support, you can overcome the challenges and enjoy the many benefits of breastfeeding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for more parenting tips and advice, be sure to check out our next video.